Well, this is a tough video to make, and probably going to get reprimanded for making this video since I am an affiliate for Go High Level, and they don't necessarily like you making these types of videos, but I feel like this is something that needs to be said. And if you're in the Go High Level community and you're kind of wondering what's the next step that you should take, I think this is an important message for all of you to hear. So basically, for those of you guys who are kind of unfamiliar with the whole Go High Level community and world, they are a software platform for marketing agencies. They help other businesses with their marketing, their lead generation, and they pay out a very generous commission to all affiliates of 40% on a monthly recurring basis. And then anyone that you sign up, I have what those are called Tier 2 affiliates, and they pay 5% on the people that they sign up. And so it can be a very lucrative affiliate commission structure if you're kind of going more of that affiliate route. And over the last 8 to 10 weeks, I've been able to get nearly 300 people signing up under my affiliate link for the Go High Level platform, where I'm gonna get paid 40% recurring commission for all those people. So you might look at that and like, wait, why would you say stop promoting Go High Level? Well, the truth is, and this is something that you need to hear if you're considering getting into the affiliate marketing world and promoting Go High Level, is they just recently released a new software update called SaaS mode. And if you don't already have a following of marketing agency owners, I highly recommend do not start here. Do not start with affiliate marketing. If you have an existing audience, let's say it's in real estate or mortgage or dental or insurance or whatever it is, it's gonna be way more lucrative for you and your business to white label their entire software platform under their new SaaS mode for just $497. And then from there, you could charge $200, $300, $500 per month for every new client that you bring on, and you make 100% commission. Now let's compare that. 100% commission versus 40% commission. What would you rather have? And on top of that, you can choose the price points. So where someone like me, who I've been promoting the Go High Level platform, and I've got this very lucrative affiliate commission structure where if someone goes through and signs up and they pay $497 a month, I'm making 40% of that every single month, month in and month out. But if you white label the platform, you can make 100% of that $497 cover your SaaS costs 100%, and the second, third, fourth, fifth client that you bring on, that's all 100% profit to your business. So if you already have an existing following in one of these specific industries that you can go through and serve with the Go High Level platform, do not promote Go High Level as an affiliate. And if you're brand new to this whole world and you're like, oh man, that affiliate structure seems really nice, maybe I'm gonna go through and start promoting Go High Level. Do not promote Go High Level. Go through and identify a market, an industry that you can go through and serve with the Go High Level platform. Get a Go High Level account, white label the entire platform, and reap 100% of the benefits of running your own business for just a fraction of the cost of what it typically costs to run a software company or just any traditional business. So here's the deal. If you're looking to start and grow your own business and start making money online, some real serious money, here is the exact format that people before you years ago did not have, and you have at your fingertips, and this is probably the biggest opportunity that has happened in over a decade. So what you want to do right now is identify one specific industry or niche that you're gonna go through and serve. Whether it be restaurants, chiropractors, massage therapists, real estate agents, mortgage brokers, doesn't matter what it is, but you're gonna go through and help these small local businesses get more clients. Then step number 2, what you're gonna do is you're gonna white label the Go High Level platform. And if you're just getting started, maybe just go through and get started with a $297 per month plan, get your website, your funnels, your business all completely set up, and then once you get your first client that's able to cover that $297 per month, then you can upgrade to the $497 per month SaaS mode. And then at that point, you can bring on as many new customers as you want. And the best part about all this is you can have the software, technology do 100% of the fulfillment for you. So you're not spending hours a day setting up ads for clients. Just leverage the technology that's already on the platform and let that take care of all the fulfillment for you. You might be thinking to yourself, well, I don't know how to go through and set up a new client. I don't know how to go through and use the tools, so how I can go through and support these clients? Well, the cool thing is what they did when they released SaaS mode is they released a white label SaaS setup for just $100. So basically, all you have to do, let's say you pick the real estate niche, get a real estate client, tell them about the services that you're gonna provide to help them get more leads, more appointments, more customers for their business, and then have the white labeled SaaS setup team take care of all of the setup for you from A to Z. And then Matt DeSano in the group, as well as I know a lot of others, they offer white label support and a little chat widget that they can respond to all of your customers, all of your clients' questions in the chat. So at this point, guys, you literally need zero experience to get started, zero technical skills. All you have to do is network with people in a specific industry, find out what their pain points are and how you can help them. And let me give you a little hint. Every local business needs more leads and more clients. So if you're speaking to them saying, I'm gonna help you get more leads and more clients for your business, and we've got all these cool tools, and the truth is they don't really care about the tools and what you're gonna do. All they care about is the end result of getting more leads and more clients. So you go through, sell them on it, get a package put together at a specific price point for your market, and then have the Go High Level white labeled SaaS onboarding team take care of all the onboarding, all the setup for you, A to Z, for just $100. And then go pay $200 to Matt DeSano or somebody else in the group. I know a lot of people offer this, and they can take care of all of the white label support, fulfillment for your business. So at this point, all you have to focus on is networking with more people in that specific industry, bringing on new clients, and you make 100% of the commissions of the revenues you're bringing in for your business, minus the initial $497 to upgrade and white label the entire Go High Level platform for your business. So there it is, guys. It's out there. I said it. If you need help with any of these things, if you're wondering how do I actually go through and get my first clients, go through and click the link right down below this video in the description as well as in the top comment. Upgrade to that SaaS mode, the $497 plan, and I will give you guys my sales funnels that I personally use to get over 15,000 real estate clients for my own software company. These are proven templates that I know work, and I'll be able to go through and coach you through and give you specific strategies that I know work. And I know there's a lot of people in the group that go and charge thousands of dollars to get this SaaS coaching. But honestly, at the end of the day, guys, I'm an open book. I love to share all my strategies that have worked. I have been through the grind. I want to save you, and investing your hard-earned money in tactics and strategies just don't work. And so for everyone that signs up under my link, I will help you. I will help you get your first clients. I will help you go through and scale your business. I will go through and show you different funnels to add on after the initial funnels to have bring even more clients in. I'll break down an email marketing promotion plan. I'll show you everything A to Z, how to create a bigger email list so you can maximize the revenue and maximize the number of SaaS clients you are bringing on to your white labeled Go High Level platform. So anyway, guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, go ahead, smash that like button. If you're brand new here, my name is Jason Wardrop. I release new videos every single week on how you can generate more leads, make more money, and grow your business. So make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell. We're really shooting to get to that 100K mark. We're very close. I know we're gonna be hitting it pretty soon. So if you guys wanna be with me as a part of this whole journey, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, and sign up for the Go High Level white labeled SaaS platform if you want my personal coaching and help to go through and scale your own SaaS business. So with that said, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.